Hi everybody, how are you today? This is Sophia's Word and YouTube Quechua with you. We are going to continue with our next lesson and we are going to talk. Guess, what are we going to talk about? Yes, of course, this is face. Parts of the face in Quechua, uya. Uya, uya. That's it. We are going to see with our first vocabulary. In this case, what is it? Yes, of course, this is I. In Quechua, ñawi. In Quechua, ñawi. Ñawi. The second one, guess what is it? Okay, this one. What is? Of course, this is nose in Quechua, sinja. Sinja. Here we can see the next one. In this case, this is, of course, neck. Kunka, kunka, kunka. Well, we have here, what is it? Easy. Okay, in this case, In Quechua, ringri, ringri, ringri. Well, we are going to continue with the next one. Guess what? Mouth. Okay, see me, see me, see me. That's it. Here we have the next, and this is face. Uya, uya, uya. This is face. The next one, of course, this is about hair in Quechua, chukcha, chukcha, chukcha. What else? We have here finally all of the vocabulary that we see. Then we are going to choose, for example, one of them. What is it? Ringri. This is ringri. That's it. Other vocabulary, for example, this one, kunka. This is kunka. Okay, neck. What else? We are going to continue and choose the first one. That's it. And this is ñawi. Ñawi. We have here sinja. Don't forget nose, sinja. The next one, simi, of course. Simi. We have here the next one, uma. Uma is every of this. Okay. Chukcha, hair. And the last one, uya. This one, don't forget, please. We are going to repeat one more time. Ñawi, ringri, chukcha, uya, sinja, simi, kunka, uma. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you so much. Anyay. Tupananchikama. See you soon. Bye bye.